All right, I got an odd one here where I'm gonna have to look the name up later because I can't really remember what this is. I thought it was the type of jackfruit for a little while, but I'm pretty sure it's mountain apple root. And this is why. They're those cute little white fruit. They're kind of crispy, juicy, a little tart, a little bit of a like guava-like kind of backer to them, just from the tree resins. Yeah, but these had some really pretty flowers out a while back. You see like these little cluster flowers, and then they just swell until you got a pretty decent size one. I don't know when ripe is. Yeah, it's like a radish. They're sour, and they're definitely a resiny backer, kind of like you get from a Java plum or a guava. But yeah, I'll look this one up, try and get a name on it. The first fruiting I know of this tree, it's right at the entrance to one of the orchards, and kind of been watching this thing for a few years now, and these are the first fruit that it's put out. Cool, huh? Well, just one more thing to think about for your gardens. Aloha.